Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading in a range right now. So yesterday we discussed that the important zone of gold is 4500 at the top, and then we have 4400 at the bottom. For market to be bullish again, gold needs to break 4500, and if market shows retracement, correction, or profit booking and breaks 4400, then obviously things will be favorable for the sellers or the bears. But if market remains within 450400, okay, as we can see right now, the market will be sideways or choppy. And we can see that right now, yes, gold is bullish. Overall, the trend of the market is bullish. But right now, if we just focus on the present trend of the market, then we can see that market is trading in a range. So if you're a swing trader or position trader, for you the market is bullish, okay, because the fundamentals, the chart, okay, everything is bullish, okay. But if you are a day trader like me, then obviously the market is sideways or the market is choppy, so you need to plan your trades accordingly. And secondly, okay, we have news coming up tomorrow, okay. If you are aware, then we have the important NFP data coming up tomorrow. And as we all know, NFP is an important event, and it has the potential to change the direction of the market. So before a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, usually we see market staying in a range. So yes, that is another thing or another reason why gold is in a range right now, because market is waiting for the tomorrow's data. So till tomorrow, yes, there's a high chance that we may see a sideways market. But gold is full of surprises, as we all know it. So if gold breaks 4400 during the US session, then yes, sellers will be controlling temporarily. And if gold breaks 4500, okay, then we can expect market to be bullish again. Chances are less, but still we should be ready. After all, okay, this is gold. So my dear friends, let me be very honest. If you're looking for some big moves, some very reliable trades, then this is not the day. Because when the market is trending, market is following a particular trend, then it becomes easier. But when market stays in a range, and especially waiting for news, then okay, the levels are not very trustworthy. Okay, if you look at the market sentiment, also you can see gold extend losses. Okay, gold dipped around 4400 per ounce on Thursday, extending losses from the previous session as investors assess mixed US economic data while geopolitical developments remain a key focus. Gold and silver prices fall as heaven plays stalls. Gold slides on profit taking as focus shifts to US data. So more or less the market is also waiting for the data. So yesterday also we discussed few levels, and more or less our levels did a fine job. Yeah, no, yeah. So these were the levels from yesterday. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the bounce from here. We got a nice bounce. Then we also discussed about the bounce from here. And both the levels played out pretty well. But today, okay, do we have any strong levels like yesterday? No, the answer is strict no. But still, if we wait and if we get the right opportunity, then yes, we can expect some good levels. Okay. So you should also mark the important levels here: 4500 at the top, and the red line at the bottom is the 4400. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Okay. So while recording the video, gold is trading around 443738 area. Okay, so here I don't see any particular trading opportunity here, because if you want to go or if you want to follow your own strategy or some patterns and all, that's your own call. Okay, but right now, okay, from price action perspective, okay, I do not see any good or reliable trading opportunity here. So the next level or the key level here is around 4423, the black line here that I have drawn. 4423 is what? Yesterday's low, or the low made by the market yesterday. But if you look at the lows here, then you can see market is not respecting the previous lows. Market is breaking the previous lows, and market has been doing this for quite some time. So This time, yeah, we can expect that we may get a bounce of 60 to 70 pips. Yeah, there is a possibility that after hitting 4423 area, market may go for a bounce. Okay, market may go for a bounce, or yeah, market may go for some SL hunting as well. For example, if you see that after breaking 4423, market is coming up again, means after some SL hunting. Okay, if you see market is coming up again, then also you can enter above 4423. How much you can target? 60 to 70 pips, because the falls, okay, because the previous fall was not a big enough. So this time also we can expect after some SL hunting, okay, market may come up again. If it does, we can look for a buy of 4423. As market is waiting for the data, we are not looking for some big moves. 60 to 70 pips or 80 pips is good enough. Okay. So 4423 is the first level, not a very major level, but in this situation with low volume, we can expect. The second level where we can look for buy is around 4400. Yeah, 4400 round number, psychological support. So here also we can expect a similar scenario, because okay, market is in a range. Okay, I'm not expecting a big downside. So here also we can expect that 4400 will be providing support to the market. If it does, here also we can look for a buy position. So when market will be coming down to 4400, observe the market. If you see on the 50-minute chart also, you can easily observe. If you see market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. But keep in mind, okay, do not go for tight stop loss, because gold has been volatile, and in a volatile market, tight stop loss do not work. You need to understand that okay, SL is very critical. So if you use tight stop loss, maybe you will see after hitting your stop loss, market is going up. That will be very painful. Okay, so observe the market at double four double zero. Okay, if it bounces, well and good, go for a buy position. But if it breaks also 4400, okay, I think it will be better for us to wait. Okay, because here also there is a high chance that after some SL hunting, market will be coming up. SL hunting or liquidity sweep, whatever you call it. Okay, so after SL hunting, if market goes up again, if you see that, oh, market after hitting 4394, 4392, market is coming up, then also you can try to buy above 4400. It means after sweeping liquidity, after hunting stop losses, market is going up again. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position after SL hunting, or if market takes support 4423, the 442324 and 4400. Okay, now at the top, if we observe, then we can see right now 446768 is acting as a resistance. Okay, to be honest, I'm not much convinced here. Personally, okay, I'm not going to take any sell position here, because I feel that okay, market has the potential of going up here. So next time, okay, when market will be around 446768, observe the market. If you see the market is going up after some consolidation, then there is a chance of market breaking the level. Okay, for example, if you see that market has been consolidating around 446006, अगर market वहाँ पे consolidate करता है 1-2 घंटे के लिए, and then market hits it, then we can expect a breakout above 6768. If it does, we can look for a buy as well when market will be breaking it. Okay, then you can see I have also drawn a line at the top, the dotted line here, 4480. It's a risky sell position for scalpers. If you're a scalper, if you can manage your risk, then you can look for some pips around 50 to 60 pips around this particular area as well. Keep in mind, selling at 4480 is a risky call. Okay, so if you are a risky trader, if you love to take risk, if you know how to manage the risk, then only go for it. As I said already, okay, the number of trading opportunities are not many here, because market will stay in a range. There is a high chance because of the upcoming NFP data. Okay, so if it does, then we need to play carefully. Okay, so let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the Telegram community. Feel free to join. The link will be in the description. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not gamble. Okay. Now.